Today is November 21st, I believe. It is Wednesday. It is the day before Thanksgiving 2018. And I'm so excited. I'm at my grandma's house, so she's gonna come up and help us make pies. I started a new job in the very beginning of August, and I've worked there ever since, and it happens to be retail. And as you may know, in America with Thanksgiving, a lot of retail workers have to work on Thanksgiving because a lot of stores are open. So it never used to be quite like that. It used to be like on early Black Friday, that's when stores would open, and that's fair enough because then people get to hang out with their family and stuff. Normally I have to work Thanksgiving, I guess, like if I work this job, and I've done this job before in the past, so it's like I'm used to that. But it really sucks to not be with your family on Thanksgiving, especially if you're like a vlogger like me, then you would want to document that type of thing. I was scheduled 5 to 9:30 on tomorrow, Thanksgiving, and I really didn't want to work on Thanksgiving, like even though they pay us time and a half, which is cool, but I'm like so not motivated by money. I really would rather spend quality time, and like who knows if any of us will be here to see next Thanksgiving, so it's important to me to be here and to document it. It is about 11:30 right now, and she was supposed to go get Akira at 11:45, so they'll be here any minute now. Oh no, are you okay?
Hi guys, we're going to bake pies for Thanksgiving. It's tomorrow.
What is that stuff? What is it called?
Pig fat. Does this look right, Grandma?
Welcome back. So today is Thanksgiving. I believe it's the 22nd, so it's Thursday, and it's sometime before noon. Kind of gotta hurry. I need to be getting ready to go to grandma's because I think I'm gonna be taking up early, and right now I'm just at my house and doing laundry so that there's towels so we can shower. So I think the last stuff that I was saying, I kind of got cut short, and I feel like I'm gonna get cut short again because that's just life, YouTubers, you know. So I just feel really hella gross right now because, you know, I'm like not getting ready yet. So I'm like just my ugly self. So I got a zit somehow. I woke up with a zit, which is annoying me because I'm taking really good care of my skin. I'm like really consistent with that because I have I have my new eye cream. That's the same eye cream that I've been using, but I ran out, so I had to get it again. And I'm taking care of my skin. Like I'm washing it, like, and removing makeup. I'm being diligent. I still got a zit, so that's annoying. It's probably because I don't take good care of myself. For example, last night I kind of thought I was going out to eat. That plan fell through, and I had already taken some shots because I thought I was gonna eat right after, and I didn't. And then I finally got home. I was like dry heaving, like I did not feel good at all. I felt horrible. So we finally got pizza, and that like totally made me feel way better. But then this morning, today, Thanksgiving, like this is my breakfast, cold pizza, because there's no dishes and I just can't right now.
3 hours later.
So I'm done getting ready. Finally, I freaking curled my hair for 2.5 hours and then did an hour of makeup. Hi guys! welcome back. So now it's Thanksgiving. It is about 5 p.m. and we're at Grandma Lolo's. What do you think?
It's good.
What are you gonna eat?
Turkey and mashed potatoes.
Yum. What else?
Stuffing and rolls.
So what are you thankful for?
I don't know.
Think about it.
Turkey?
Turkey. What else?
Just turkey.
Only turkey?
Pizza!
So what are you thankful for?
Food, family, a home, PlayStation, turkey, taking Spanish,
Oh, cool.
taking chess club, having friends,
Oh, that's a good one.
beating people in chess club and video games there.
Thanks. What's your name? What's your name?
Daddy.
He said his name was Daddy. How old are you? Wait, wait.
Two.
turn-
Hang up.
Look, you have to press the. No, I'm
the
not.
red button.
You have to press a green bar, and then hang up.
That was funny.
You weirdo. What are you thankful for?
Right now, my family, and they're all healthy and beautiful, smart, and we were all together except for the younger pegs, and they're down where it's nice and warm for Thanksgiving. I'm also thankful for Meals on Wheels for providing me with very good nutrition, and I enjoyed the service, and I've enjoyed all the food, and I'm thankful that my health is improving, and I'm going to get stronger and better as time goes by, because I want to be around to spend more time with my lovely family.
Aww. I love you.
I love all of you.
Hi guys. So final update of Thanksgiving or whatever. I am back home now. And I got to spend some nice quality time with most of my family. I got to eat some really great food, like everything was perfect. So I wanted to end this video by talking about what I'm thankful for. First of all, I am so thankful to be alive today. I've had the craziest year of my life in terms of depression and just my career not going how I want it to, and making not enough money and just kind of struggling financially. So I'm so thankful that I've made it through those struggles and I'm alive here breathing today. And I'm so thankful that I have a huge awesome family to spend time with. I'm so thankful that most of us are in the same city so we can see each other and we can rely on each other when we need. And I'm so thankful for my immediate family and my boyfriend and my beautiful dog Julius. He's gonna be 6 in January, and I'm so thankful for good health and the fact that I get to eat food every day. I am so thankful for my job and my managers and my team overall and the customers that come into my work. I'm thankful for the beautiful, vibrant community of West Valley City that's welcomed me in to work and enjoy and be posted up at. I'm so thankful for all of my subscribers on YouTube and everywhere else. I'm so thankful for my great friends. I'm so thankful for credit lines that allow me to buy nice makeup so I can stay looking nice. I'm thankful to live in America and be an American citizen and reap the benefits of that and have a passport and be able to travel the world and have traveled abroad 3 times. That's incredible, and I feel so blessed. I feel so thankful that I was able to get a good education and that I have a diploma and a degree. It's just, I've had so many opportunities, so I'm so thankful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button down below, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.